back to another weekend in my life. Today is going to be a very relaxing weekend. I have not vlogged in quite a long time, so I'm very excited to get back into it. This video is also sponsored by ThredUp, so I did want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. Very excited to share some of the pieces that I got from them. But right now I am actually going to go outside and work out. It is currently 66 degrees outside and it's supposed to rain later today, but it literally looks perfect outside. Blue skies, so sunny. So I'm really hoping that the weatherman is wrong and that it doesn't end up raining today.
Have you a stretch to center as you reach away? We're gonna get really stretchy. Open up our sides, our hips, our inner legs, our heel back. Don't get that. No. Towards your heels. Stretch your arms, straighten line your thighs up. Reach your heels back and down in your right leg. Heel your toes up through. Exhale, open up your hip, bend your knees. Your hands a little forward and wide of your shoulders.
I am actually going to take advantage of not having anything to do today and not having any meetings, calls, anything. It is the weekend and I am literally doing nothing. So I'm actually going to use the at-home sauna that I got for Christmas. So you have to wear like long sleeves, long pants, socks. You have to be really covered up, it says. So I'm just wearing like any long sleeve top that I have and it's going to be drenched in sweat. This is it. This is the at-home sauna. So I'm just gonna get in here and use this for like 30 minutes. I've gotten a lot of questions if I like this and if I recommend it. I've only used it once, but I really, really do like it. Why is it so zoomed in? Have I been this zoomed in the whole time? Oh, I was wondering why the crop on this was so much. Alright guys, I just showered. This laser hair removal that I've been using at home, it works so well. Anyways, you just use this and I've been doing it on my legs and I feel like I barely have to shave my legs anymore. I usually just hike my leg up here. Also, warning, there's flashing, so if you guys want to skip, you guys can skip forward if you guys cannot see flashing on the screen. I just got ready for the day. I filmed a makeup tutorial. But anyways, this video, like I said, is sponsored by ThredUp, so I did want to show you guys a little ThredUp haul. I'm going to be wearing their clothes this weekend, and I just am so excited because I got so many good pieces. It's like when you go to a thrift store and you spend like 5 hours looking for good things. This is like that, except I didn't spend 5 hours because it's so easy to use. So if you guys don't know what ThredUp is, it is the largest online consignment store where you guys can buy and also sell your used items. And it's always gently used so that when you get your order, you know that it's in good quality. So it's pretty much the experience of online shopping, except not only is it more sustainable, it is more affordable. You get to find really, really cool pieces. And for someone like me who I love the idea of thrift shopping and, you know, shopping in a consignment store, I hate going to a thrift shop and a consignment store because I get so overwhelmed. I have to sort through so much stuff, where ThredUp makes it really easy because you can add your size automatically. So you're not seeing stuff that doesn't fit you. You can search by brand, you can search by category. It's literally the online shopping experience of like a normal store, except it's a consignment store, which makes it a lot better. You guys can use my code Natalie30 for 30% off your entire ThredUp order. So be sure to click on the link and use my code. I'm going to show you guys what I got and kind of how I plan to style them, because when I say I found some amazing pieces, like, I am so excited. The thing I got is this really, really cute top. This is actually a pretty expensive brand called Sailor, and it's originally $145, but I got it for $75, which means I got it for half off, and it still had the tags on it. So I took off the tags so that I could wear it today, but this had the tags on it still. It was half the price. It looks like the person like just bought it this year and decided to sell it. Like, I think it's so cute and very, very trendy and perfect for spring. I also got this top, which I think is just very fun. It's like a mock neck tank top, and I think it's perfect for spring, especially even with like an outfit like this, like a very simple outfit. This one was originally $37, and then I got it for $13. So inexpensive. It doesn't have a single stain on it. Like, it looks brand new. You might as well have bought it from the real store. Okay, this is what I might be the most proud of. So both of these have the tags on them still. So this is a bodysuit from Good American. It still had like the sticker on like the underwear line. It has the tags on it still. It's originally $140. which is just crazy. I got it for $43 with the tags still on. I love Good American. It's one of my favorite brands. You guys, I have been meaning to try Redone for the longest time, but it's pretty expensive. So these denim shorts are Redone and they fit me perfectly. They still have tags on them. I think they are so cute. They are originally $200 and I got them for $150. So these are definitely my new go-to denim shorts and I'm gonna be wearing them every single day this spring and summer. And this is another one I'm very excited about. It is the most comfortable piece of clothing I have worn. So comfortable, and it has cute little red down the side. This is from Urban Outfitters. I got it for $25, but it was originally $60 and again, looks brand new. Then this shirt is actually from Madewell. It was originally around $60. I got this for $15. What a steal. And it's just like a really, really cute basic, but not so basic, black tank top that is perfect for the spring. And then this cute little vintage bag I got for $100, but it was originally $200. Doesn't have anything really wrong with it at all. Has this cute little strap, but I just think it's so cute and vintage, and I can just see myself wearing this on Instagram. I just think it's so unique. I haven't really seen too much like it. Anyways, thank you ThredUp for sponsoring today's vlog. If you guys want to get 30% off your purchase, you guys can go and click on my link or use the code Natalie30 for 30% off your entire order. Now it is 2:45 and I'm about to leave in a few minutes to get my car. I'm so excited. There she is. This is it. So obsessed with it. I think it's so pretty. I love the gray color. It's raining and it was storming all day yesterday, so I actually didn't film it yesterday because it was just raining too hard. Here it is though. I love this midnight, I think it's called Midnight Sky is what they call this color. I got the Model Y for those of you guys who are wondering. I'm gonna do a whole video on, you know, the process of getting this car, how much it costs for those of you that are curious. So you do that, open the door, and then I got the black interior just because the white was an extra $1,000, which I just didn't think was necessary. Let's get in. Here is the car. It's so pretty. I love it. It's so spacious. I feel like I have so much room. There's wireless charging right here. This is huge. This is huge. I know there's like a glove box there. The back seat is really spacious and pretty big, and my favorite part, I would say, is this sunroof. I think it just looks so pretty. Also, it's flat there, so like if I'm ever vlogging and driving, I could, you know, it's like flat and it lays flat on there, but I think I might get a car tripod so that I can vlog and obviously be safe and not distracted about where the camera is. But I really love the car. If you guys have any questions about it, just comment them down below so that I can answer them. But yeah, I love, you guys can't see, but like the sunroof is just so pretty. It's so nice. And what's crazy is that like the car key right now is my phone. Like the app is my car key, which is just wild. You don't have to like turn it on. You just like hit the brake and it automatically turns on. There's no like push to start. You don't turn it off. You just put it in park, close the door, and you walk away and it locks your car, which I just think is like wild. There's so many different like settings on here, which is super cool. If you guys want me to go into detail on anything, I definitely can, but like I just love vlogging and like seeing the sunroof. I think is so pretty. So yeah, I'm so grateful that I was able to lease this car. If you guys are wondering, I am leasing. I didn't actually purchase it, but I have this car. I did a 24-month lease for it. So yeah, I love it. I think it's so nice. Now I'm gonna show you guys the trunk because the trunk is absolutely huge. Like it's huge. So when I go to Florida, when I move to Miami, I'm gonna have like be able to store like everything. Like I'll be able to take, I feel like, everything in this car, which is so nice. Okay, so this is the trunk. So it looks already pretty spacious, but what's even more spacious is you can pull this up and you have this huge part of the trunk, and then you also have this, which is a little more shallow, but it's nice to have extra space, and you can obviously lay those seats down if you wanted to. Let me turn on, hit the frunk. Oh, having car troubles, ma'am? Nope. just getting my bags out of here. I was showing my grandpa it yesterday and he was just so confused. Yeah, that's it. I wanted to show you guys. And now I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. Yep, it's locked. So crazy. Editing my video that is going up today. I usually don't upload on Sundays, but I completely postponed my Friday upload because I just procrastinated a lot and I've been feeling just a little bit in a funk on YouTube. I don't know what to post. I don't know what you guys want to see. I know I will be going to Florida for the next few months, so I will be doing kind of like moving vlogs. It won't be like full moving vlogs because I'm not like 100% moving. Kind of gonna be going back and forth from North Carolina to Florida, so it's nice that I have my car, which is one of the main reasons why I knew I needed to get a car to go back and forth. And just in Florida, I 100% need a car down there. But so I'll be doing like kind of a moving vlog, but not really. But I don't know, you'll get to change the scenery up, which I think those vlogs will be fun. But I have just been feeling pretty, I don't know, discouraged, in a funk. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. I don't have as much, I don't want to say love, but I'm not as excited to film, and I really want to get that excitement again. I also wanted to say that this is very normal, especially for YouTubers, for anyone in the creative space. It's very normal to feel this way, to feel like you're in a funk, but it still sucks. I've just been watching some videos while mine is exporting, and it finally exported, so I'm actually going to upload it now because it's already 5:50. Basically 6 o'clock, so I just want to get it up, and then I have to record the intro and a podcast ad and submit that so that it can be up tomorrow morning, because I hate when Monday comes around and my podcast is not up, because I just feel so rushed in the morning, and like starting your week off to stress is just never good. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, I've just been feeling so discouraged and like in such a rut. So if you guys can comment down below any video ideas that you guys want to see or what you like about my channel, that would be great, because I never want to be repetitive, but I want to get more excited about filming again. I think once I go to Florida, it will help that, just a change in scenery, because I kind of feel stuck here in North Carolina for some reason. I don't know, I love North Carolina, but I definitely don't like love living here right now. Like, it's not ideal, I guess. It's kind of just what the situation has to be due to everything going on. But now I'm like, I finally can go to Florida, and that will help. So I don't know, I'm just talking out loud here. So yeah, comment any videos that you guys want to see from me on my channel, and that would help a ton. Yeah, I'm gonna just upload this makeup routine, which I'm not even like that proud of this video. I filmed it once, hated it, filmed it again, and I still don't love it, but I'm just like forcing myself to upload, because being a perfectionist is never a good thing on YouTube. I've kind of learned, like, you just gotta upload. Podcast with me, Natalie Barbu. Today's episode, I am interviewing Shanae Alexander, and now time to make dinner. I'm making dinner for the fam. I am making the spicy fusilli pasta. It is a favorite of mine and my family, so that's what we're doing. It's so easy to make, so I'm just making that right now, and I'm starving, and like, I have such a headache. I think I need to drink water, so